Loily, happy birthday. Dada loves you so much. Be a good boy. Halong kamutan nila na always. Isa nakatuig na bless kami with a handsome, smart, and loving cutie like you, my baby. Take care of your nana. I love you and I miss you so much.
Sa mga ninongs and ninangs, relatives namons and friends, thank you guys sa love kay support nyo kay Lily. God bless us all and enjoy. And